students, so as IFA April 2024 results are out now, so we are getting many queries on daily basis. So one of the most important questions that students are asking is that whether to go ahead with CS2 or CM2 in this upcoming attempt. So अगर आप लोगों का CS1, CM1, CP1, CP2 हो चुका है and you don't want to move to higher subjects, you don't want to go to SP series or you don't want to start with CP2 or CP3, तो आपके पास यही ऑप्शन है कि either go ahead with CS2 or CM2. So definitely diet skipping is we don't recommend because you don't know कि उस diet पे कितना easy exam आ जाए और आपका एक paper clear हो जाए. So instead of going for April 2025 diet now, and if you are confused with CS2 or CM2, definitely pick CM2 for upcoming September 2024 attempt. CM2 is not difficult. CM2 can be difficult in terms of understanding the concepts, but once you have understood the concepts, it's just in that on the different questions you need to apply the concepts. So difficulty level is only in terms of understanding. Once understood, you just have to apply the concepts. So if you can put 3 hours on weekdays and 5 to 6 hours on weekends, you can definitely manage both CM2A as well as CM2B in upcoming September 2024 attempt. CS2 definitely is not possible in this given time frame because CS2 is not lengthy. CS2 is definitely very difficult and current IFA pattern is also bit difficult for CS2 students. So CS2 के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम चाहिए, तो CS2 along with CP2 and CP3 you can manage for the next attempt. But इस attempt में instead of skipping the diet, अगर आपने कोई और एग्जाम नहीं पिक किया था अभी तक, तो go ahead with CM2 and just try to give the time that I have told you in this upcoming diet. You can definitely clear it. So in case you require any guidance related to your next exam planning, do feel free to connect with us. Thank you.